Good morning, dear students. In this lesson, I am going to teach you simple past tense. Okay? Simple past tense or past indefinite tense of verb expressing the present. So, simple past tense. What is the definition of simple past tense? An action that shows एक action जो क्या दिखाता है? That it took place, मतलब ये हुआ था in past is called simple past tense. Simple past tense. This is called simple past tense. Okay. So an action that shows that it took place in past. जो एक्शन ये दिखाता है कि एक काम अतीत में हो गया है. जस्ट सिंपली ये बोलते हैं कि अतीत में हो गया है, इसको बोलते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. अब हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को कैसे लिखेंगे? नाउ आई विल गिव यू फॉर्मेट ऑफ हाउ टू बिल्ड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हम कैसे लिखेंगे? सो लुक एट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ making simple past tense. At first you write subject, then main verbs, second form. I told you already about the second form of verb. मैं तुम लोगों को second form of verb के बारे में बताया था. Subject plus main verb second form plus object plus complementary. In short, I have written COM. That means complementary. So this is the format of making simple past tense. Now, if we want to build a sentence, how to build the sentence? अभी हम sentence कैसे बनाएंगे? With the help of this format. Suppose subject is Riya. Okay? अब make या ड्रॉ, कोई भी मेन वर्ब ले लो. ड्रॉ का सेकंड फॉर्म क्या है? ड्रू. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो द सेकंड और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब दैट यू आर गोइंग टू यूज इन द टेंस. जो तुम टेंस में यूज करने जा रहे हो, इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो द फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रिया ड्रू. नाउ व्हाट डिड रिया ड्रॉ? रिया ने क्या ये ड्रॉ किया? अ पिक्चर. सिंपली इट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Riya drew a picture. Now complementary. Yesterday. So it is simple past tense. You can say it is simple past tense. Riya drew a picture yesterday. Raghav saw a snake in the field. Raghav saw a snake in the field. So Raghav is subject. See, saw is the second form of the verb see. So main verb second form is saw. What did Raghav saw? Raghav ने क्या देखा? What did Raghav see? क्या देखा? A snake. This is an object. Now rest of the part in the field is complementary. So in this way we will build simple past tense. Okay, dear students. So look at the format. I will also give you the format of simple past tense, but at first I hope you look at the board and you can also write it down on your copy by looking at the board or from the board. Okay, is it clear? Now I am erasing it. Now dear students, the next one to which I will come is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. It is also known as past progressive tense. Remember, it is also known as past progressive tense. इसको past progressive tense भी बोलते हैं. An action that shows, जो ये दिखाता है, क्या दिखाता है? दैट it was कंटिन्यूइंग, ये मानो हो रहा था, कंटिन्यूइंग फॉर सम टाइम इन पास्ट, पास्ट में कुछ समय चल रहा था, पास्ट इज नोन एज पास्ट continuous tense. It is called past continuous tense. जो an action जो ये दिखाता है, that shows क्या दिखाता है, that it was continuing, ये continue हो रहा था, past में progress हो रहा था एक certain time तक, उसको बोलते हैं past continuous tense. So what can be the format? Take a look at the format that I am going to give you. At first you write subject, then was or were, then main verbs first form plus ing, then object, and then complementary. Subject was, were, main verb plus ing, plus object plus complementary. Now how can you build up a sentence with the help of this format? Just look, how can you build up a sentence? Suppose you want to build up a sentence with the help of this format. At first, subject. Subject is suppose Riya. Okay? Subject is Riya. Now Riya is third person singular. We all know. So what will be there? Was or were? You have to make a choice. तुमको choice करना पड़ेगा कि रिया के बाद क्या बैठेगा, was या were. रिया थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, therefore naturally it will be was होगा. उसके बाद मेन वर्ब, तो मानो मेन वर्ब रीड प्लस आईएनजी, रीडिंग, रिया वाज रीडिंग. अब व्हाट वाज रिया रीडिंग? स्टोरी बुक, story book. So it can be object, because what if I question to the verb was with what was Riya reading? Riya क्या पढ़ रहा था? Story book. Now give complementary. Yesterday, last night, the previous evening. ये हो सकता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. तो रिया वाज रीडिंग मतलब रिया पढ़ रही थी, मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली एक अतीत में काम चल रहा था. तो इसको बोलते हैं पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव और पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स you understood, and I think it is enough for today. In the next video I will tell you about past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, good day.